is day 9 of our trip.
Has anybody tried the paella since they've been here?
Yeah.
Not yet. Okay.
We got the guide at one of the locations. It's okay, I'll sneak peek as I'm an Indian. Hey buddy, what's up? See, इधर जो दिख रहा है ना आपको, it's just this, not this part. There's a different part. It's just this. Despacito. Guys, it's day 9 of our trip, and today we are going off for the Valencia tour. So guys, अभी हम walking tour पे निकल पड़े with a bunch of people. We got the guide at one of the locations, and now we're heading to explore Valencia. So all the people have come from different hostels. You got to make the reservation before you come. It's a free walking tour, and at the end of the day, if you like it, just pay how much donation you want. He said, "Don't record," but it's okay. I'll sneak peek. I'll sneak up and record some footages. Don't worry on to that. I'm good in that, as I'm an Indian. So guys, that's the group of ours which we are going with. There are approximately 15 people with us on this walking tour. We'll be covering 10 places. We'll be showing us 10 places.
Has anybody tried the paella since they've been here?
Yeah.
Not yet. Okay. Well, you waited for a good time because at the end of the tour, I'm going to give you several Valencian approved places to go for paella. Right?
Hey buddy, what's up? Gorilla. So guys, this is the place which used to torture the people out in the back centuries. And there is a glass bridge over here. जो इधर हुआ है उसको देख के उसको सुन के तो it feels amazing. So these are the royal doors and ऐसी 12 से 13 जगह थी. So guys, the story of this place is that there were 12 tombs like this जो Napoleons ने attack किए थे in the 13-14 some century I guess. और काफ़ी अटैक करने के बाद they took the people of Spain. Trust me guys, if you're coming to some city, it's a different city altogether, do take these walking tours, which is very good because you get to know so much of knowledge of that city. कल तक हम वेलेंसिया घूम रहे थे और पता भी नहीं था कि ये सिटी बर्बाद हुई है, उसके बाद वापस से बनी है. This city had like walls around it, okay? And in this city, it's been 2000 years that this city has been built. So they had like different dictators all together in this city,
Also, it looks really nice inside. The atmosphere is really nice. You have like paintings on the wall. It looks like a museum. You have chandeliers.
Guys, in every lane there is something happening. Here it's Indiana Jones doing something. Here is our group trying for some different the pass. अभी तक तो बहुत अच्छा टूर जा रहा है. मतलब the guy is providing a lot of information which is very useful, and now you get to know, जब आपको सिटी के बारे में पूरा पता चलता है ना, the information and everything, then you start relating with the city. That's the best thing which I like here. captured, I guess, 4 to 5 unique places out here. Pope's Place, जहाँ पे beheadings होती थी. We just covered the cathedral as well. Valencia Cathedral we covered. Town Square we covered. Now we are heading off to the next location, off to the streak, onto the next side. Let's see. The palace which I just showed you guys, it was the Prince Palace. सबसे यूनिक बात इस पैलेस की ये थी कि एक तो इन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से दरवाजे बनाए थे. The most significant thing about that palace was when the king and his family used to be there into the palace. तो मदर मेरी जो है वो वर्जिन मेरी जो है वो बाहर की ओर फेस करती है उसका फेस, ओके. एंड व्हेन दे आर नॉट हियर इन द पैलेस, so it turns basically. और वो टर्न अंदर की होती है where you can see her back. How they built it, man. In that old centuries, I can't just imagine कैसे कर लेते हैं ये लोग. But whatever it was beautiful. It was beautiful.
Bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, a lot of exercise, sleeping like a mummy.
It's just this building, this one. That's
Yeah,
it.
this one. Yeah.
Oh, man.
It used to belong to the Payetta family, so the Payetta.
Yes, can you see?
Where is
It's just this. See, इधर जो दिख रहा है ना आपको? It's just this, not this part. There's a different part. It's just this part. तुम लोगों ने देखा जो मैंने अभी देखा? इतनी पतली बिल्डिंग, इसमें बाथरूम है, किचन है और उनका रूम है. But anyway, looks good and beautiful. Despacito. Right now we are in the biggest supermarket of Europe, so we'll have a look at it. It's a complete supermarket and it's a very big supermarket. You know, you get fruits, you get everything out here. Or you whatever you want to eat, man. The vegetables here, the dry fruits. Oh, look at that meat, man. Look at that meat. Guys, अभी हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं चिकन पाया. And I've heard हमारे टूर गाइड ने भी बोला था कि काफ़ी अच्छा है, तो let's see how it is. This is how it is basically, chicken paya. It's like a biryani though, but here the rice is like half cooked. So I can only give you the reviews after eating this. I hope I like it. And Sylvia. Thank you so much. Gracias. Here he has given me into the box. Let's eat and explore. This is for like 600 rupees, Indian rupees, and 6 euros. So, guys, paella ले ली है. It's one of the famous dishes out here. खा के बताता हूँ कि कैसा लगा. Just अभी paella खाया है. Trust me, I didn't like it at all because it's like an Indian biryani. Okay, अगर आपने biryani खाई है, it's like that. It's just that with less masalas. The rice is half cooked. Yeah, difference in rice is there. The rice's quality is different, but it's not properly cooked. It's half cooked, and on top of that, they put the roasted chicken into that without much of masalas or something like that. So if you are like an Asian people, you won't like it because we are habitual of the masalas. So our walking tour is done. Our lunch is done. Now we are off to aquarium, and there are a couple of other things also which we will be covering. उसके बाद हमारा plan है beach जाने का. There are a couple of good beaches out here. And they are very they're consecutively connected to each other, so it will be great for us. एक बीच से walk करते करते हम दूसरे बीच तक जा सकते हैं. So that is the plan, and we're off to the location.